Good morning, dear children. Welcome you back after 3 days holidays in this online maths class. Children, today I am going to take revision of lesson number 2, Fun with Numbers. Shubha ma'am has already discussed this lesson before. So today we will do a quick recap of these following subtopics. Okay, so let us start one by one. Children, you all know that the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the greatest 3-digit number is 999, means 999. When you add 1 to this number, it will become a smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000, and the greatest 4-digit number is 9999, that is known as 9999. Children, you all know the place of each digit. Here, from the extreme right digit is ones place, before that tens place, before that 100 place, and before that 1000 place. So you all know the places of the digits. Now let us know how can we read the number. So you have to remember one thing, that you will read numbers from left to right, and the second thing is you have to read these two digits together. 100 place and 1000 place digits will be read separately. Okay, I am taking this example and telling you how can we read this number. So as I told you before, we will start reading from the left side. So we will read first digit and after that place name. So 4000, after that 200, and we will read these two numbers together. Here we will not read the place name. So the answer will be 4239. Let us take the second example. Here you can see 7 is on ones place, 7 is on ones place, 0 is on tens place, this 0 is on 100 place, and this 5 is on 1000 place, right? Now we will start from the reading from the left side. So first we will read 5000. Now you can see under 100 place there is 0, so we will not read this digit. Okay, and we will jump to the next place, and so the number will become 5000, and 0 and 7 will be read as 7, so 5007. Okay, now let us know how can we find place value of the given digit. Children, place value of the given digit is digit with the place. Here you can see in this example 3 is written on ones place, so its place value is 3 digit and place ones place, so 3 ones can be written as 3. Okay, now just have a look on tens place. The digit 2 is on tens place, so place value of 2 will be 2, and then tens, 2 tens, or you can write 20. 2 tens is equal to 20. Now just have a look and see the place value of 4. Here 4 is on 100 place, so first we will write 4 and then its place name 400. Okay, 400, and 400 can be written as 400. Okay, now the next number, that is 8. 8 is on 1000 place, so first we will write 8 and the place name 1000, and 8000 can be written as 8000. Okay, because you all know tens place, tens has a 10, 100 has a 20, and 1000 has a 30. So 8000 can be written as 8000. Okay, now let us see what is face value. Children, face value remains the same in all places. Suppose we want to know the face value of this 3. If it is on one's place, it will be 3. If suppose this 3 is on 1000 place, then also its face value will be 3. Okay, now expanded form. Children, in expanded form we write sum of place value of each digits. Okay, sum means plus with plus sign. Here the first number is 4139, and here we have to write expanded form. Okay, as you all know, 4 is on 1000 place, so you have written 4000, then plus sign. 1 is on 100 place, so 100, plus sign. Then 3 is on tens place, 30, plus sign, and then 9 ones 9. So this is expanded form of the given number. Okay, to write expanded form we write the digit with the place value, or you can say sum of place value of each digit is its expanded form. Okay, now let us take how can we write short form. Children, the number is given here 4000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 7. Maximum place is 1000 place, so you have written the places name ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Here 4000, it means 4 will sit on 1000 place. 800 means 8 will sit on 100 place. 3 tens means 3 will sit on tens place, and 7 ones means 7 will sit on ones place. So the answer will be 4837. Okay, hope you all have understood. Now let us have a look to the comparison of numbers. Children, this is greater than sign, this is a smaller than sign, and this is equal to sign. Okay, now how can we do comparison? Children, here just have a look on this first example, 548 and 1285. First number is 3-digit number and the second number is 4-digit number. It means it is very clear that the number with the smaller digit will be the smallest number. It means 548 will be the smaller number. Okay, now let us take one more example. If number of digits are same in both numbers, then what we will do? Here second example, 6359, 6342. So children, we will compare from the left side. Okay, just see the 1000 place. On both 1000 place the number are same, that is 6, so you cannot compare. So go on 100 place. Here also you can see numbers are same, 3, so you cannot compare on tens place also, sorry 100 place also. Then after that you will go on tens place. Here you can see on tens place in this number 5, and on tens place in this number 4 is present. So obviously you will decide 5 is greater than 4, so you will put greater sign. It means 6359 is greater than 6342. Okay, this method we will follow. for the numbers in which number of digits are same. We always start from the left side. If you cannot decide there, then you move on the next place. Okay, now next one is ascending and descending order. Children, as you all know, ascending order means arrange the numbers from small to big. Here is the example. Four numbers are given there: 3765, 3776, 3854 and 3024. Now you have to write descending order. So you have to find out which one is the smallest number. So which you will apply the rule of comparison. So here just see the thousand place. Here 3 3 3 3, can't decide. Okay, go on 100 place. 7 7 8 and 0. Here decided this number will be the smallest number. Up now left three numbers. Here you can see 7 7 8, means these two numbers will come after this number, but you cannot decide. So you will move on tens place. Here on tens place 6 and here on tens place 7, means it is clear that this number will be the smaller. Okay, so after 3024 you will write 3765. After that this will be the third number, and after that this will be fourth number. So you can see I have written 3024 is the smallest among all, so it is written on the first place. After that this one, then third, and finally we have written the greatest number. Okay, and descending order means big to small. So here I have written the greatest number first, after that the next one, then next one, and finally we have written the smallest number. Okay, children, hope you all have understood and everything is now clear to you all. Okay, so revise it once again to build your concept and solve the sums. Thank you and have a nice day.